What's up, everybody? Jack from Half Chrome. Guess what? Banggood and I have teamed up. We're giving away a Mobula 7 HD. That's right, this can be yours for free. Not this one because I crashed it, but a brand new one shipped directly from Banggood. They want to promote their big, huge summer sale. I've got all the details down below in the links about that sale. You can win things, you can save money, and it's not just drones, electronics, clothing, they got tons of stuff. But if you want to enter to win this thing, and it's a lot of fun, I really enjoyed flying it, it's pretty simple. One, you have to subscribe to my channel. Easy enough, you can do that below. Two, leave a comment, right? Leave a comment, doesn't matter what it says, hopefully it's positive. And three, share this video somehow, Facebook, Instagram, even send it to your friends via email, it doesn't matter to me. I just want this video shared, right? We want to promote this sale, and that's what we're doing. And if you want to help us, you can win one of these for free, shipped brand new from Banggood. It's a fun little draw. That's it. Check out the links below for all the descriptions about that sale. Good luck and